Have you ever wondered what actually cleans your clothes inside a washing machine? Most people believe it's the spinning drum rubbing the fabric together. Surprisingly, that's only a small part of the process. The real cleaning power comes from something we rarely think about: the laundry detergent. At the molecular level, detergent is made up of two special parts. One end is attracted to water, while the other is attracted to oil and grease. When detergent is mixed with water, its oil-loving molecules attach themselves to greasy stains, while the water-loving ends pull those stains away from the fabric and keep them suspended in the water. This prevents the dirt from sticking back onto your clothes. Hot water makes this process even more effective. As the temperature rises, the fibers of the fabric expand slightly, allowing detergent molecules to penetrate deeper into stubborn stains. Most detergents also contain enzymes and other cleaning agents designed to break down sweat, food, and dirt, making them far more powerful than water alone. So if detergent does the actual cleaning, what is the washing machine's job? Its purpose is to keep water and detergent moving continuously through the fabric, ensuring every part of the clothing is washed thoroughly and then rinsed clean. Top-loading washing machines achieve this using a rotating impeller or agitator at the bottom of the drum. Modern machines are typically powered by highly efficient brushless DC motors instead of traditional induction motors. These motors use permanent magnets and electronically controlled coils to create a rotating magnetic field that spins the drum smoothly and efficiently without relying on gears. However, top-loading machines have one major drawback. Clothes constantly rub against one another during washing, creating more friction and causing fabrics to wear out faster over time. Front-loading washing machines solve this problem with a completely different design. Their drum rotates horizontally and contains small internal paddles that lift the clothes before letting them fall naturally into the water. Instead of relying on harsh rubbing, this gentle tumbling action cleans the fabric effectively while reducing wear and using up to 40 to 60% less water than many top-loading machines. Another impressive feature is how front-loading machines determine the correct water level. They don't actually measure the amount of water directly. Instead, once the door is sealed, a pressure sensor monitors the air pressure inside the drum as water fills the machine. From these pressure changes, the control system accurately calculates the proper water level automatically. For heavily soiled clothes, a built-in heating element gradually warms the water, allowing detergent to dissolve stains more efficiently. After the wash cycle is complete, the machine doesn't unlock immediately. This isn't a design flaw. It's intentional. The dirty water must first be pumped out completely before the door can safely open. Then comes the spin cycle. The drum can rotate at speeds of up to 1,200 revolutions per minute. Centrifugal force presses the clothes firmly against the drum walls, while water escapes through thousands of tiny holes into the outer tub before being pumped away. This removes most of the moisture from the clothes. One of the biggest engineering challenges is vibration. During high-speed spinning, wet clothes rarely stay perfectly balanced, creating powerful shaking forces. To control this, engineers suspend the drum using heavy-duty springs and shock absorbers while adding massive concrete or metal counterweights around the tub. These components absorb vibration and keep the machine stable, preventing it from shaking violently across the floor. From the chemistry inside a spoonful of detergent to the physics of high-speed spinning and vibration control, every washing machine combines science and engineering in ways most of us never notice. What seems like a simple household appliance is actually the result of decades of innovation in chemistry, mechanics, electronics, and physics. If you enjoyed learning the hidden science behind everyday technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next deep dive into the amazing engineering behind the machines we use every day.